Hello and welcome back to Contractor's Point of View. Today we're taking a look at wireless charging, and more specifically issues that I've ran into when trying to wirelessly charge my Note 10 Plus. Note 10 Plus has fast wireless charging, and that was one of my issues, is that it wouldn't fast wireless charge. So I wanted to go over a couple things with you guys, show you what I did to correct it, what you might be running into if you're noticing that you're not getting fast wireless charging, and some other stuff that I ran into along the way. So let's just jump right into it, take a look at these wireless chargers. Alright, so these are three of the chargers that I picked up. This guy here is for travel for me. It's super thin, as you can see. I think it's about as thin as the phone, maybe. Yeah. So it's super thin, easy to throw in a backpack. Ready to go, everything's good. This is the first one I picked up because I just knew I wanted to try out the wirelessly charging, and I knew I had fast wireless charge available right there. And then this guy I ended up buying after I was having issues with the first one that I picked up. So let's go over some of this to make sure you kind of got everything that you need. I'm going to switch some stuff around here so I can make some easy explanations. You gotta love these micro USBs. Yeah, so this one and this one use micro USB. This guy here uses USB-C. Alright, so when I first threw on my phone, you got the charging wirelessly, and yeah, you can see it's there, but it doesn't say anything about fast wireless charge. So the first thing I found out that you have to do after getting your wirelessly charging device is go into settings, go into device care on this Samsung specifically. You got to go into battery and then settings, and then all the way at the bottom you have the fast wireless charging enable. So there's a toggle there that if you switch that, it allows it to fast wireless charge. And then you have your fast cable charging, which is usually turned on. Okay, so once that's on, then you should be able to wirelessly charge it fast. Now you might be saying, well, this is a fast wireless charge, why didn't it work? Okay, because it's saying right there, charging wirelessly, but it's not fast wireless. And that is because right now this is plugged into a power brick that is not fast wireless charging capable. This guy is fast wireless charging capable. Plug that puppy in, and you'll see the difference. Now it says fast charging wirelessly, and you get a different time. So, two things there. Make sure if your phone has some way to turn off and on fast wireless charging, you got to get in there and turn it on first. And then second, you got to come over and make sure your power brick that this is plugged into has fast wireless charging available to it. And then the last thing, obviously, is your Qi pad needs to be fast wireless charging or wireless charging enable. So you plug this in, and you're going to get wireless charging. Okay, no problem. It's charging wirelessly. It says an hour and 29 minutes to full. Even if you buy this and plug in a fast wireless charging power brick, you're still only going to get charging wirelessly. It's not going to give you fast wireless, because this pad specifically is not enabled for fast wireless charge. And then this big guy, no matter, it's powered by USB-C. The USB-C is specific to this device here, and as you can see, and then it's got a special power brick that it comes with, because some things don't come with power bricks, like this guy didn't come with a power brick. Obviously it's not as important because it doesn't have fast wireless charge. The power brick for this I had lost. So when you set this up, it holds your phone and you can see right there, fast wireless charge. And then this also has the ability to fast wireless charge, on its side. So you can set it landscape or portrait, whichever you feel like. I like it as a clock for my bedside. Seems to work out real well for that. And also, that's obviously my Note 10 Plus, but your iPhone is going to be the same. Oh, watch me slide that puppy off the table. So the iPhone charges there, iPhone charges on that one. So it works the same, except iPhone doesn't tell you whether it's charging charging fast or not. Now you might be wondering why I have a OnePlus 7 Pro sitting on the table talking about wireless charging. Another issue I've seen people have with wireless charging is they think their phone has wireless charge available to it, and OnePlus does not do wireless charging on their phones yet. And while that's not the only phone, if you're trying to wirelessly charge a phone that doesn't have wireless charging, it's not going to do you any good, because the phone just does not have the capability. So don't try that. Then the last thing I wanted to show you is wirelessly charging with a case. Use example of the case that I have on my phone all the time, and that's the Subcase Unicorn Beetle Pro. Snap this puppy in. Super simple. Okay, got it. Everything's in there, and it works with all of these chargers. Let me put this back the way it's supposed to be. Ah, man, USB-C. I want everything USB-C. Alright, so first off, first one, and you can see it still fast wirelessly charges with the case. That one doesn't have fast wireless charging, but it will charge wirelessly. And last but not least, the 15-watt charger, and it charges wirelessly with fast wireless charging. So even with the case on, you've got the ability for charging wirelessly. Alright, I will throw links up in the description for each one of these devices if you're interested. But the main thing is if you're having issues with your wireless charge, those are some things to check. Make sure your phone can handle it. Make sure it's turned on if it has a toggle. Make sure your pad is enabled for fast wireless charge. And make sure your phone is capable of being wirelessly charged, and also your power brick. So there's a couple things to look at, a couple things to think about. Hope this video was helpful. Until next time, stay safe.